Today, we're diving into Cora AI, an intriguing productivity assistant that promises to streamline your workflow. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's explore what it has to offer and if it's worth your time. Cora AI positions itself as a productivity assistant designed to help users manage tasks, notes, and projects more efficiently. At its core, Cora integrates various tools to provide a centralized hub for your daily work. The user interface is clean and intuitive, which is a definite plus for anyone looking to jump right in without a steep learning curve. One standout feature is its ability to organize tasks and notes seamlessly, allowing for easy tracking of progress. However, while the basic functionality seems solid, there's a noticeable lack of depth in advanced features. For instance, power users may find it lacking in customization options or integrations with other tools they rely on. It's clear that Cora is aimed at individuals or small teams, but it feels like it could struggle to meet the demands of larger organizations. Overall, the experience is user-friendly, but you might run into limitations if you're looking for something more robust. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Cora AI offers a straightforward interface and solid core functionalities for task management and note-taking. It's especially appealing for those who appreciate simplicity and ease of use. However, there are some drawbacks. The lack of advanced features might frustrate users who need more customization or integration options with other productivity tools. Additionally, pricing could be a concern for some, especially if you're looking for premium features that aren't included in the basic plan. For casual users or small teams, Cora might be a good fit, but larger teams or those with complex needs may want to explore alternatives that offer more flexibility. In conclusion, Cora AI could be a worthwhile tool for individuals or small teams seeking a straightforward productivity assistant. However, if you require more advanced features or integrations, you might want to consider other options. Overall, it's worth a try, but manage your expectations based on your specific needs.